In this question, our aim is to find out the unit vector along I plus G. So if there is a vector that is I plus G and our aim is to find out its unit vector, we know that the unit vector of A vector is A vector divided by its magnitude. We'll get a vector of magnitude 1 that is known as nothing but a unit vector. So for the calculation, if we are taking this A vector is equal to I plus G, so we can find out what is the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of this vector is under root of its x component square, which is equal to nothing but 1 square plus 1 square. So we can write A is equal to under root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So we can find out the value of this unit vector. Unit vector is nothing but A vector divided by magnitude of that vector. A vector is I vector plus J vector and its magnitude of vector is nothing but root 2. So we can write A cap is equal to I plus J divided by root 2.